Creating your own sound on TikTok involves recording a unique audio clip that others can use in their videos. Here's how to do it. Recording. Open the TikTok app and tap the plus button to create a new video. On the right side, you will see an option labeled Sounds. Tap on it to open the Sounds page. Original sound. To make your own sound, record the video by tapping and holding the red recording button. You can either record yourself speaking, singing, playing an instrument, or any other sound you want to use. Make sure the audio is clear and free from background noise. Editing. After recording your video, you can trim and edit the sound using TikTok's built-in editing tools. Adjust the sound duration to your preference. Uploading sound. Once your video is ready, tap on the checkmark to proceed. On the editing screen, tap on Next. Add captions, effects, or filters to your video if desired. Sound name and privacy. On the final screen, you can give your sound a name. Choose a name that describes the sound accurately. You can also decide whether you want the sound to be public or private. Post your video. Tap Post to share your video with the sound. Your original sound will be saved in TikTok's sound library, and others can use it in their own videos by tapping on the Sounds option. Creating and sharing your own sound can help you connect with the TikTok community and potentially go viral if others enjoy using your unique sound in their videos.